To assign a title and headers to your Word document to give it more structure and organization, what you want to do is place the cursor on the line you'd like to assign a title to. Under Styles, that's under the Home tab, you want to click on the title option here. That'll make this line here a title. Now to assign headers, you want to do the same thing. Click on the line you'd like to assign a header to. Click on the header options. You can give it a header 1, a header 2, or a header 3. In this case, we're going to give this one a header 1. We'll make this one a header 2. Since this category falls under diets, we're going to turn this into a header 3. Also, while you are assigning headers, I personally like to keep my navigation tab open here so I can see how the headers are being assigned. To do that, I'll click on View, make sure navigation pane is checked here so the navigation pane appears here, and you can see the structure of your document over here. So let's go back and assign titles to our documents. Go back to our Home tab. We'll give this one a heading 2, and we'll highlight both of these and make these a heading 2. So if you look over here to in your navigation pane, you can see the hierarchy of your document. We have our heading 1, heading 2s, and heading 3s, and the remaining heading 2s. This also makes navigating through your document a whole lot easier by just clicking on the headings. That is how you assign titles and headers to your document in Word.